What's up, everyone? This is number 14. Yes, well, more, 2 boxers were just added. 2 boxers were just added. Once I fill the next full case, I'll add a couple more. Once number 10 of a full case fills, which is after these next 2, we'll add 2 more fulls. Wemby's like 35, 40%. Wemby's 50%. Wemby's 50, they're saying. The nons are saying it, though. That's the problem. A lot of the non-sharps. All right, guess the first shimmer, 20. This is number 14. Number 15's next. It's not the right list? Should be the same as...
Oh, yeah, it's different.
It's the wrong list. It's the wrong. It's the wrong. Yeah, we had it. Sorry. We're getting the right list. Oh, and the cool thing is, we'll be able to do random. We can reverse it. Do random color. Well, I'll figure it out. Now it should be the right teams, I think. $15 next, and then 10 of a full. Good luck. Thank you. Come on. Red of Lillard. There's Victor, number 1 on the base. If you can scroll. Joker on the ruby. Vukcevic, silver. Once we fill number 10 of a full case, I'm going to add 2 more. Number 10 of a full case is going after 15 of a 2 box. It's close. Number 10 of a full case, guys, is after 15. Purple Ice, Buddy. GG. All right, we're due for some Victor color. It's been a little too long. Strother on the True Blue. Base auto, Whitehead. Silver auto, Isaiah Wong. Stockton on the gold shimmer. Nice piece. White, Kevin Durant. And we have a green shimmer. It's in the random. Clarkson for the Jazz. Ortiz. The Ortiz. Sar. Blue of Hero. Sasser. Lillard. Kaleidoscope. Silver. Another SR Thompson. Walker Kessler. White. Red auto. Cloudy. Red. Derek White. Base auto Branham. Blue Shimmer's coming. Strother. Rookie Blue Shimmer. We've hit plenty of Strother color. Walsh and Strother and Miller, the guys were hitting like crazy. Red auto of Cole Anthony. Silver of Stockton. Moore. Base auto. I have a bonus shimmer. Trey. Trey Young. The shimmer. Oh, nice. That's pretty sick. True black or the black shimmer. GG. Another shimmer. Trey Jones. That's a sick card. White. Nasreet. Lillard on the true purple. That's the break. Recap, and then we're going right into 15. And then 10 of a full case. We'll line a random for a full case. You're welcome, Karamay. That's sick. So now Blez has hit 5 black shimmers today, guys. There's the best one by far. Karam A hit the shaded. Not B, not C. A hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a bonus shimmer. Not B, not